dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope you are good and your holidays are also gone well. So today we are here to study our maths, and as we know that our unit tests are near, our unit tests are from 17th, okay, this 17th. So already we have completed our course till lesson number 3, okay. So today we are going to start our revision. So for that we have taken our first lesson. So now you can open your first chapter and exercise number first A, okay. So let's start. See, revision of exercise number first A, okay. So you can open your book and our first question is write the consecutive numbers that come after. So consecutive numbers that come after, okay. How many numbers we have to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Consecutive means continuous, okay. Continuous after this. So this is our question. What is it? 7,894. So what comes after 94? 95. 7, 8, 9, 5. Then 7, 8, 9, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 7. Understood? 7, 8, 9, 8. 7, 8, 9, 9. And what will come after 899? 900. Okay? 700, 7,900 and 7,901. Okay? So this is your answer. Understood? Okay. Now coming towards our question number 2. In this, write in the expanded form. We have to write this figure in expanded form. So how we will write this? See, first of all, what is there? 5. 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros we will put. Plus 0. Plus 6. And how much 0? 1 0. Plus 0. This is your expanded form. Okay? It is clear to you? Yes. Now see our question number 3. Write greater than, equal to or smaller than sign we have to put in this. So just one thing we have to do, we have to find out which number is greater. Okay. So which is greater in this? 8 and 8 equal. 2 and 2 are equal, 8 and 8 are equal, 9 is greater, okay, than 3. So simply we will put this sign here. Understood? Now come on second part. If we will see this 4 and 5, in the first step only we can identify that this number is greater. So which sign we will put here? This one. Understood? Okay. Now coming towards our fourth question, write in ascending order. What does ascending mean? Ascending means first of all smallest, then big one, then big, and last one biggest. Okay. Now see, identifying these 5 digits. First 1, 1, 1 and 1. These 2 we will not see because these 2 starts with 2. Okay. We will consider first of all these 3. See which is smaller, 2, leave it 0 and 0. Then 2 and 0. Which is less than, this is first. Okay. So write first of all 1, 0, 0, 2. Then second 1, 0, 2, 0. Third place 1, 2, 0, 0. Okay. Now this is over here. Now see these 2 digits. Which is smaller? This one. Okay. So this will come at 4th place 2, 0, 0, 1. And this will come at last because it is the biggest number. Understood here? And this is our answer. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. Now coming towards our 6th question. In this way, using this digit, we have to write the smallest and greatest number. And what is the condition? Condition is that we have to use all these 4 digits. Okay. So first of all, we will write smallest. But 0 we can't write at starting because we have to write 4-digit number. And if we are putting 0 at first, then it will not be 4-digit number, it will be 3-digit number. Okay, then this thing we have to keep in mind. So first of all we will write 1, then 0, 2 and 9. Understood? This is the smallest number and greatest number 9, 2, 1, 0. Understood? This is your answer. Okay. Now see, in this we have to do the addition. See the symbol. Okay. Symbol is of addition. So first of all, what we will do, from right hand side we start always. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15, carry 1 and 5 here. And 3 and 3 are 6. This is your addition answer. Understood? Now coming towards our D part, what is it? 5. Okay, in this we have to do the subtraction. Okay, take care of these. In this we have to do the subtraction. This will become 11. If we will subtract 5 from 11, then what will come? 6. And here 9. 3. And here 7. 0. And 8 out of 9. 1. Understood? This is your required answer. Hope you are getting. Okay? See. Now our 8th question is to do the following sums. Okay? Then we are seeing that these all are of addition. So no problem. First of all, we have to put them, these figures, these numbers in the, we have to arrange these in the column backward. So see, 3, 0, 5, 0, 1, 4, 6, 2, 5, 6, 3. Earlier also I told you to put, if we are arranging something in the column method, then we always have to start it from the right hand side to left. Okay? Then 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 4, 10 plus 5, 15 and 1 here carry 6, 7 and 3, 0, 1 and here 6. This is your answer. Understood? Now see our D part. Here is both addition and subtraction. Okay? Then first of all we have to identify and we have to classify the numbers in positive as well as in negative. So which is positive? This one and this one. Put them together. 4, 7, 8, 6 plus 2, 3, 2, 4. Add them. Okay, what will come? 0. Then 10, 11, 1 again. 7, 10, 11, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the answer of addition. Then what we have to do? Still one negative digit is remaining. So first of all we will write 7, 1, 1, 0 here. Okay. Then what we have to do the next? 5, 7, 2, 3. Subtraction we have to do. Then what we will do? First of all it will become 10 minus 3, 7. It will also become 10 minus 2, 8. 10 minus 7, 3. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. So here this is your answer. Okay. Let's start now our next question. 10th question, D part. So in one go we have to do. Okay. Then leave 0 and multiply it by 7. So 7 9s are 63. Put here 3 and 6 here and 3 here. 7 zeros are 0 and 6. And then put 7 4s are 28. Okay. And put 0 at the last. Okay. No need to consider 0. No need to multiply it by 0 again and again. Just put 0 in the answer. Understood? Then see our 11th question. There are 2 digits and here is nowhere is 0. Okay. So first of all we will multiply these full digits by 3. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9 and 6 3s are 18. Okay. Put here cross. 5 2s are 10. Put here 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. And 5 3s are 30 plus 1 31. And finally add them. 6, 9, 14, 3 and 3. This is your answer. Okay. Now coming towards our division. In this we have to divide 12 part. Okay. So simple division it is, and afterwards we have to check also. Okay. Then see, 12 6 are 72. Simple, and subtract it. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is our remainder. So how we will check this? Multiply this by this and finally add the remainder. So to find out the dividend, divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Understood? So 12 6 are 72 plus 3, 75, and the same answer is of our dividend. So this means it is correct. Okay. So now coming towards our last part, 13th question. In this also we have to do the division. Okay. So start doing. First of all, you try to do yourself this question. Then we will see how to do this. Okay, I hope you have completed. So, first of all, we will consider these two digits here. Okay, so 8 8s are 64. No remainder is there. If you will subtract, so we will write down here 4, and it is not enough, so we will carry down the second digit also. Okay, by putting here 0. Understood? Now 8 5s are 40. And here our remainder is 2. So quotient is 805 and the remainder is 2. This is our answer. Okay. Hope you have understood this and revise it and prepare well for the test. In our next classes we are going to do our first B exercise.